Hello children, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Here we are going to start off question number 7. From the following trial balance dated 31st 3 2017 and adjustment prepare final account of partnership firm of Parekh and Mehta. Adjustment is given, closing stock was rupees 1,05,000, a purchase of bill rupees 15,000 received from creditor but not recorded. Okay, as you know very well that closing stock basically there is two effect. First effect it come to the trial balance trading account, second effect come to balance sheet asset side. Firstly we will do all the adjustment, after that we will come to the trial balance item. Second adjustment is given, a purchase bill of rupees 15,000 is received from the creditors but not recorded. It means unrecorded purchase. First effect come to the trading account and add into the purchase account, and second effect come balance sheet liability side, it's add into creditor. Okay, I'll show you into after this. Next things, third adjustment, a recoverable claim from the insurance company settle of rupees 2,000 from the advertisement suspense account, return of 50% as a advertisements expenses of current year. Questions is saying that 50% advertisement suspense account we have to take into this year, and next 50% just maintain in the balance sheet asset side, right? Next adjustment is given, provide depreciation 5% on furniture and fitting of office equipment as per the straight line method. It means only we have to maintain depreciation as per the straight line. It means the cost price we have to calculate the depreciation on cost price. Cost price is given in trial balance. Okay. Sixth number adjustment, 1,000 paid in advance for insurance premium. This is the regular adjustment. You know very well that advance it will deduct a particular item, and second effect come to the balance sheet asset side. Next adjustment, 12% interest is receivable on tender deposit. Tender deposit, this is our asset, and asset we get the interest, it means our income. Income will come to credit side in P&L account. A discount bill of rupees 2,000 was dishonored 30th 3 2017, which was earlier discounted in the bank. That means discounted bill already, okay, or discounted bill is dishonored. It means our cash is reduced and debtor will increase. And last adjustment, provide 2% bad debt reserve on debtor. So this is the same adjustment, the regular adjustment we have to maintain the bad debt reserve on debtor. So now I am telling you or explaining the adjustment. First we will do the adjustment. I have already written all the adjustment firstly, so I am explaining the one by one. First adjustment is given, closing stock. As you know very well that closing stock first come to the trading account credit side, and secondly come to the balance sheet asset side, right? Next, a purchase bill of rupees 15,000 is received from creditor but not recorded. Okay, so this is the unrecorded purchase. As you know very well that trading account first item opening stock, second purchase, and in unrecorded purchase it will be add in purchase. Purchase amount we will take from the trial balance when we will do the trial balance item. Okay, and second effect come to the creditor unrecorded purchase. Unrecorded purchase come to 15,000 because unrecorded purchase, that's why our creditor will increase automatically. Next, third adjustment, the recoverable claim from insurance company settled rupees 2,000. Okay, just you can see in the trial balance recoverable claim given the 5,000, but we are settled with 2,000 rupees. So here you can see that 2,000 rupees come to the balance sheet asset side. Okay, this is given the 2,000 insurance just here you can see the insurance company settlement. It means cash will increase, so it will add into the cash account. Okay, now 5,000 insurance recoverable, right? 5,000 insurance recoverable. So here we are settled with the 2,000 rupees, but we are getting loss 3,000. So 3,000 it will come to the debit side, loss on recoverable insurance or settlement, right? With the 3000 rupees, you can see the 3000 rupees. Now, next adjustment given from at the advertisement suspense account return of 50% advertisement expenses of current year. Okay, in the trial balance you can see that 9000 advertisement suspense account is given. Okay, first effect 9000 50%, it means 4500. 4500 come to P&L debit account. Okay, P&L debit side, this is 4500. And second effect, just you can see the balance sheet advertisement is given 9000 from the trial balance. Okay, and suspense account return of 50%, 4500. It will deduct from this value to this value, come to 4500. Okay, next adjustment, provide depreciation 5% on furniture and fitting and office equipments. Furniture and fitting office equipment. Okay, so furniture value is given 30,000. So I am telling you the here the CP price, because it is saying the straight line method. It's straight line method. It means we have to apply depreciation on cost price. Cost price is given 30,000. Okay, and 30,000 we have to maintain 5% depreciation. It will come to 1500. Okay, 1500. So only I am showing this calculation. It will not mean that come to here the credit side and P&L account. Okay, 1500 to depreciation furniture 1500, and here 10,000. Sorry, 10,000, 15,000. 15,000 for office equipment. 15,000 into 5%, it will come to 750. Okay, the both value we will write over here. I'm removing this figure because I'm showing only calculation. Now second effect, you can see the balance sheet side. First, office equipment, furniture is given the 23,000. Furniture depreciation 1500, we will deduct 23,000. Now 23,000 we will take from the trial balance in the outer column. CP price, cost price, only cost price we will calculate depreciation, or balance sheet we will take outer column 23,000. Now depreciation we will deduct, it come to 21,500. Same thing will happen with the office equipment. Office equipment is given the 10,000 outer side of the trial balance, and the depreciation will deduct 750, so come to 9,250. Next item, 1,000 paid in advance insurance and company. This is the regular adjustment. Prepaid insurance, so I have written over here prepaid insurance, advance insurance 1,000 rupees. Okay, next second effect, come to the balance sheet side, asset side. Prepaid insurance is given, okay, 1,000 rupees. Next, 12% interest is receivable on the tender deposit. Tender deposit, this is our asset. So asset, if we are getting interest, it means it will become our income. Okay, so income will come to the P&L credit side. Now you can see in the trial balance, tender deposit 1/10/2016. It is a collateral adjustment because rate is given 12%. Okay, tender deposit value is given 6,000, right? Rate of interest is given 12%. Okay, 12%, 12 by 100. See, now it's allowed 1/10/2016, and the remaining months it 6 by 12, so it will calculate 360. So 360 come to our interest, so interest will be posted in the credit side P&L account. And second effect come to the balance sheet asset side, tender deposit. Tender deposit, I have written over there that 6,000 is given the trial balance, and interest will add 360, so it's come to 6,360, right? Okay, so I'm removing this calculation. Next item is given A discount bill of rupees 2000 was dishonored 30th 3 2017, which was earlier discounted the bank. Okay, bill of discount, it means cash will reduce. So you can see the cash will reduce by the 2000 rupees, first effect, and second effect, it will increase our debtor. So debtor is here, the given the debtor, and debtor will dishonor will be add on the debtor value. So debtor value is given the trial balance 1,50,000 and bill dishonor 2000. Both value will add 1,52,000. Okay. Now we have to maintain 2% BDR on debtor. So BDR we will allow on this value BDR 2%. So it comes to 3040. We will minus 1,52,000. 3040, it's come to 1,48,960. This second effect come to the P&L debit side 3040. So here all the adjustment has completed. Now come to the trial balance item. So trial balance item, first item is given opening stock. So I have written over already in the debit side opening stock. Opening stock is given 30,000. I am taking the trial balance item, or as you know very well that trial balance item only the one side, one effect in one account. Purchase 4 lakh, right? This is the 4 lakh. 4 lakh, it will become 4,15,000. We'll add debtor. Already I have written down there in the asset side. Cash at bank 12,000. So I'll write over here 12,000. 12,000. It's come to 12,000 once again, because 2,000 one time 2,000 and one time 2,000 less than 12,000 value once again come out outer column. Rent and taxes. This is the item is given the trial balance, so it's come to the P&L debit side to rent and taxes. Value is given 3,000. Okay. Next, insurance premium. Insurance premium, I have left this space now, so I'll put over here insurance premium 9,000 and advance 1,000 is come to 8,000 outer column. Okay, salary. This is a salary. Salary 42,000. Carriage inward, you know very well that carriage inward, this is a trading item. Carriage inward 18,000. Carriage outward, this is our P&L item. Carriage outward, it's 21,000. Now receivable claim, we have already completed this item. Advertisement suspense account also, furniture and fitting, office equipment, tender deposit, bills receivable. Now bills receivable we have to write over there. Bills receivable, it will become our asset. Just I'll put down the asset side B/R. Bills receivable 6,000, right? 6,000. Okay. Bad debts. So bad debt is given the 4,000. So come to this side 7,040. We'll add this both figure. And last item is given to electricity expenses. Electricity expenses 2,000. Debit item completed in the trial balance. Now time come to the credit side of trial balance. Creditor value is given 50,000, so it will come to the liability side in balance sheet. Unrecorded purchase 15,000, so outer column 65,000. Now sales, okay, sales, it will come to trading account credit side 6 lakh rupees, 6 lakh rupees, right? Okay. Now only capital given Mehta and Parekh. So I'll write out after some time. Firstly, we will close all these accounts, trading account, P&L account. There's no need to prepare P&L appropriation account and partner capital account, because question is not asking or adjustment is not given regarding of P&L appropriation account and partner capital account. That's why we are not preparing, only we are preparing trading account, P&L account and balance sheet. So now time has come for closing the account. First, trading account if we will add this credit side figure and debit side figure, so we will find out gross profit 2,42,000. Gross profit 2,42,000. Here value 7,05,000. Right? So 7,05,000. This gross profit will be transferred into the credit side in P&L account by gross profit, right? 2,42,000. Now close this account. 2,42,360. 2,42,360. I am very sorry if you are not being able to see because my mobile or my video camera is not seeing. So I'll see after some time when I complete or when I write down all these things. Okay. Profit, it will come to profit and loss. It will come 1,49,570. This is deficiency amount because our revenue is more and expense is less. So balance will come to the debit side. It will become the profit. This is the net profit. Okay. Now this profit will be transferred in P&L appropriation account, but we are not preparing P&L appropriation account, so that's why this profit will be distributed in between the partner Parekh and Mehta. See, Parekh and Mehta. Okay, now 1,49,570. So profit sharing ratio is not given or not mentioned into the question, so we assume that equal proportion. So equal proportion, it will come to value 74,785 each partner. They will get profit 74,785 each partner. So last thing, capital. Parekh and Mehta. Okay. First Parekh. Parekh capital is given. Parekh capital is given 50,000. Okay. And we'll add the profit, net profit. How much he get? 74,785. 74,785. Right? Same thing will Mehta 50,000 his profit and get net profit 74,785. Okay. Outer column, it will come to 1,24,785. 1,24,785. Same value 1,24,785. Now tally the balance sheet. Okay, so balance sheet total will come 3,14,570. 3,14,750. 3,14,750. Okay, why I do this question? Because this question has a good adjustment and most probably it's come to the final account. That's why I complete and make the video. Already I have complete in the video class or online class, but sometimes what happen, few of students, they are not listening or they were absent, so they can take advantage by the video lecture. So I hope all of you got this question and healthy adjustment. Thank you. Take care.